Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, May the 18th, 2020. We have here a regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. I will first solve this Sudoku, and there is also in this newspaper an additional of 6 Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and also a binary and a tectonic. But I will first do the medium Sudoku. So total of 7 Sudokus for today to solve. So a lot of Sudokus. So let's get started with the first one. A medium Sudoku. Alright, I see here an 8 in this row, an 8 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see. How about the number? These 3 numbers in the second row, the 3 missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and no, the 4 is missing, and the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 2, a 4 and a 3, so no 4 and a 3 in this box. So in this row, the 4 and the 3 goes here. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 box left for the number 9. 9 is missing. The 3, 4, and the 9 in this row. Alright. And then, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6. No 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. The other 3 numbers of this big square are, the missing numbers are the numbers 4, 8, and 7. I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. The 8 and the 7 are missing. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, a 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for a 1 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, here also 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. How about the 8 in this column? The 8 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 8 should be here. These 3 numbers, the missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I see here a 9 and the 3, so no 9 and the 3 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 1. Here the other 2 for the 9 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 6. And look, we have a 6 already there. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 1 goes here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column. The only place for the 6 should be here. These 3 numbers in this third column, the missing numbers are the 8, the 7, and the 2. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The 2 and the 7 are missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and 7. How about these 2 numbers in this row? For the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are missing. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, the 2 goes there. We have a 2 in the third column, a 2 in the first column, so in the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And then the 1 in this column, a 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now, how about the number? These 3 numbers in this column. We have 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. Here also a 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. The 9 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And then, how about these 3 numbers of this big square? The missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 7. We see here a 2, so no 2 there in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. The 3 and the 7 are left. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But we have a 2 in the third row, a 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for the, column for the number 7. And I believe here also the 3 and the 7 are left. Now we have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be, we have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3, here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6, I believe, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in this column? The 9 is missing and the 8 is missing. 9 and 8, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. These 3 numbers, the 8, oh, double 7, not correct. 7, 7, this should be the 7, this should be the 9, I believe. Yes, we make a mistake, this should be the 9. This should be the 9, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Now we have a 9 there. So these 2 numbers, the 9 and the 8, we have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 8 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 1 number left in this row for the number 8, and the final number of this big square for the number 3. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, for this Sudoku Medium, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Yes. So the second one, I need to see the second one. Should be a Sudoku 1 star. So see you later. Bye bye.